If your Rheem Tankless water heater is showing error code 29, it's letting you know there's a problem with the condensate drain system. High-efficiency tankless heaters create acidic condensation during operation, and this liquid must drain properly to protect the unit. When the system can't drain that water safely, the heater shuts itself down and displays error code 29 to prevent internal flooding or damage. In about 90% of cases, the cause is a blocked condensate drain line. Dirt, debris, mineral buildup, or algae can clog the line and stop water from flowing out. Other common causes include improper piping, such as a drain line that slopes upward, is undersized, or has a trap that holds water. If your system uses a condensate neutralizer, clogged or exhausted neutralizer media can also trigger this error. Less commonly, loose wiring, sensor issues, or a faulty control board may prevent the unit from correctly detecting condensate flow. To fix error code 29, start by inspecting the condensate drain line for visible clogs and clearing them. Make sure the line slopes downward at about 1/4 inch per foot with no upward sections. If you have a neutralizer, check it for blockages and replace the media if needed. Flushing the drain with white vinegar or a descaling solution can help dissolve mineral buildup. Also, inspect wiring connections for corrosion or looseness. If the error continues after these steps, it's best to contact a qualified technician, as unresolved condensate issues can lead to water damage and costly repairs.